on the road swerving, I'm trying not to crash. I'm trying to get ahead, but they won't let me pass. Blockers in front of me, them pigs ain't far behind. I'm trying to find my way out, cause I'm on borrowed time. My whole life been fucked up and I understand why. I'm still thuggin', being outlawed to the day that I die. One time for all my trill niggas that live in the sky. Pull out some liquor from my homies, then jump in the ride. My vision's kinda blurry, I'm trying to stay on the road. I got my peacekeeper with me, we sticking to the code. This is my life, I live it how I wanna. Stay strapped, drink yak, smoke marijuana. I give a fuck about hell, cause I'm already burning. God trying to teach me a lesson, I ain't down for learning. This is my life, gon' have to set me free. Oh, on everything I love, gon' have to kill a G. Fuck working, I ain't trying to get a 9 to 5. I'd rather rob and slang dope just to stay alive. I'd rather smoke weed than get a GED. Bitch, I ain't dumb, all them devils done is lie to me. School and work is just another form of slavery. I'd rather get a Tweety bird and make it a parakeet. Fuck them 20s, need some 6s for the brand new Jeep. Fuck a wife, I need some hoes that's gonna let me creep. Fuck the judge, I got the eagle underneath the seat. Next time them pussies pull me over, shooting out some teeth. I ain't trying to change, cause I don't give a fuck. You feeling lucky, nigga? Go ahead and press your luck. I'm on the road swerving, I'm trying not to crash. I'm trying to get ahead, but they won't let me pass. Blockers in front of me, them pigs ain't far behind. I'm trying to find my way out, cause I'm on borrowed time. My middle finger to the law, give a fuck about feds. By the time they rush a nigga crib, I'm putting 6 in his head. My niggas love to see the guard, ask Danny the Dread. He see me rolling through the hills, smiling, shaking his head. I give a fuck about them niggas, say they want me dead. I'm trying to find out where they live, cause I need more bread. I heard y'all talking gangsters, which y'all done made a team. What the fuck y'all gonna call it, the League of the Green? Matter of fact, y'all should call it victims of the G. How the fuck should I be scared, y'all victims of the G? Yeah, I robbed you pussy niggas, then went to your club. Spent your money at the bar, ain't sent shit to the thug. I know the bouncers at the door, I walked in with the snub. Hater love me, but I tell you better show respect. A nigga nuts, so I pop you like I'm taking a breath. The assailant to the whole fucking cartridge spent. I brush you off like a Catholic observant lamp. You niggas think you Superman, but pussy is kin. I bet that eagle make you fly if you're doubting yourself. I've been trapped up for a minute, I'm dying to vent. You niggas pussy, so the God will come see you himself. Give you my blessing, now you standing, watching yourself. I heard they said I can't come home, it's not good for your health. Let them know that I'm back home, it's not good for your wealth. I'm on the road swerving, I'm trying not to crash. I'm trying to get ahead, but they won't let me pass. Blockers in front of me, them pigs ain't far behind. I'm trying to find my way out, cause I'm on borrowed time. I stay strapped, nigga.